Hey guys, in this video I am going to talk about the biggest update of GTA 5 Unity version. Guys, before we get started, make sure to subscribe the channel. It will not take you much time, but it will a lot mean for me. And also, if you don't want to miss any update, you can also tap on the bell icon. Now without doing any further delay, let's get started. So guys, if you want to know the full information of GTA 5 version 1.8, watch this full video. In this video, I will give you the full proof of the new update. So let's talk that what will become in the 1.8 version update. So you guys might be thinking that the biggest update will be the smartphone. No, that's not true. I have got an update which is bigger than the smartphone update. And this update is that in version 1.8, you will be able to play GTA 5 with your friends in the multiplayer option. But this is not confirmed that it will work on Bluetooth or on LAN. You guys might be familiar with the multiplayer which is available on GTA 5 online, and now you will be able to race your friends in GTA 5 also in mobile phones. But as I told you before, this is not confirmed that it will work on Bluetooth or on LAN, or it may be online. So if it may be online, you can play this game with me because I play this game very much. So I hope we play together. So this update will be the biggest update of GTA 5 Unity version. So in this update, you can even choose that you want to race cars or bikes and race your friends. So guys, that's all for the video, and I will see you in the next one.